Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get the blink filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect, go here. This is the effects gallery. Okay, now I'm in trending section. Here slide right until you see interactive. Go there. Okay, here slide up. So lots of effects are there, so check carefully. Okay, and remember this image. This is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, this is the effect. You can tap on the screen to use this effect. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, then what you can do, go to discover and here search for blink filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effects, the center one. This is the effect, the second one. Tap on it. Okay, and you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see try this effect. Tap there to use this effect. Likewise. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from discover, then what you can do, okay, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You need to open it with TikTok. So in this page, tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Again you will be directed to the effect page. Now here tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this blink filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.